Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Honda Accord V6. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, gather your tools, including a 13mm wrench, a 10mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin working to avoid burns. Now, let's get to the removal process. Use your serpentine belt tool to release tension on the belt, then carefully slide it off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the two electrical connectors and the main power wire, usually a 10mm nut. With the wiring free, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, typically 14mm, that hold the alternator in place. Finally, carefully extract the old unit. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully guide the new alternator into its mounting position. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then fully tighten them to ensure a secure fit. Reconnect the main power wire, securing it with its 10mm nut, and then plug in the 2 electrical connectors. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys. Almost done, use your serpentine belt tool to retension the belt, ensuring it's seated correctly on all pulleys. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, and your voltmeter should read approximately 14.2 to 14.7 volts, indicating proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.